Buckle up, health warriors! Imagine leaping out of bed every morning, brimming with unstoppable energy, muscles pulsing with power, and a fiery determination to crush every challenge life throws at you, without ever worrying about age stealing your strength. Today, we're diving into a game-changing adventure that will revolutionize your vitality. Get ready to say a bold goodbye to muscle loss with 7 jaw-dropping superfoods that obliterate sarcopenia and ignite your inner powerhouse. Have you ever wondered why your muscles seem to lose their edge as the years roll by? Or maybe you're on a relentless quest to unlock natural, explosive ways to skyrocket your strength and zest for life? If so, you're in for a treat. Stick with us, because these foods are about to flip your world upside down. But before we unleash this life-altering list, do us a quick favor. Smash that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already. This small click isn't just a button press, it's your battle cry, shouting to the world that you're all in for transforming your body and life. Your support fuels our mission to deliver electrifying health hacks that keep you thriving. In this video, we're breaking down each muscle-boosting food with crystal-clear simplicity, counting down from number 7 to the ultimate champion at number 1. This isn't just a list, it's your treasure map, loaded with practical, punchy tips to supercharge your diet. Whether you're a newbie taking your first steps toward vibrant health or a seasoned pro looking to level up, you've landed in the perfect arena. Strap in and start your journey to unbreakable muscle health right now. Don't just watch, dive in, subscribe, hit that like button, and stay glued until the very end, because we're dropping a mind-blowing secret at the close of this video that could be the key to unlocking your ultimate health transformation. 7. Quinoa. Quinoa is a remarkable grain that has garnered admiration for centuries due to its exceptional nutritional advantages. This tiny seed delivers an impressive boost of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, proving that great things come in small packages. Quinoa stands out for its remarkable ability to provide all 9 essential amino acids, establishing it as a complete protein source that effectively aids in muscle repair and growth. The high fiber content keeps you feeling full for longer, making it a great choice for those aiming to maintain a healthy weight while building strong muscles. With its subtle, nutty taste and adaptable texture, quinoa seamlessly fits into a variety of dishes. Whether you're whipping up a fresh salad, a comforting soup, a robust side, or even replacing rice in your favorite recipes, incorporating quinoa into your daily meals provides your muscles with essential nourishment, ensuring they remain strong and prepared for any challenge that comes your way. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a standout choice, offering a delightful taste and a wealth of nutrients that are fantastic for supporting your muscles. By straining regular yogurt, we achieve a thicker texture and significantly boost the protein content. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, making it an excellent option for muscle repair and growth. It's perfect for post-workout recovery or as a nutritious addition to your daily meals. Greek yogurt not only delivers a hefty dose of protein, but is also packed with calcium, essential for strong bones and optimal muscle function. Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics that enhance your digestion, helping your body efficiently absorb essential nutrients. Enjoy it plain, blend it with fruits, or drizzle a touch of honey for sweetness. Greek yogurt is a delicious option to keep your muscles energized and healthy all day long. 5. Salmon. Salmon is not just a tasty fish. It's a nutritional powerhouse that promotes muscle health in numerous ways. This is an exceptional source of omega-3 fatty acids, renowned for their ability to reduce inflammation and accelerate muscle recovery post-exercise. By reducing inflammation, your muscles can recover more quickly, allowing you to sustain strength and endurance in the long run. In addition to omega-3s, salmon boasts an abundance of high-quality protein, delivering the essential building blocks, crucial for muscle repair and growth. This product provides an array of essential vitamins, including B12 and D, along with vital minerals like selenium, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining a vibrant and energetic body. Incorporating salmon into your meals, whether baked, grilled, or steamed, offers a delicious and impactful approach to enhancing your muscle health and overall wellness. 4. Eggs stand out as a remarkably adaptable and nutrient-dense food, significantly contributing to the enhancement of muscle health. These are among nature's finest sources of high-quality protein, crucial for repairing and building muscles following intense activity. Every egg is a powerhouse of amino acids, the essential building blocks of muscle tissue that your body craves for optimal recovery and growth. In addition to being a protein powerhouse, eggs are packed with essential vitamins such as vitamin D, vital for maintaining strong bones, and vitamin B12, which plays a key role in energy production. These are also abundant in essential minerals like selenium and choline, which enhance overall wellness. Regardless of whether you enjoy your eggs boiled, scrambled, poached, or in an omelet, adding eggs to your meals is an intelligent choice to provide your muscles with the essential nutrients required for strength and resilience. Incorporating eggs into your balanced diet not only aids in muscle recovery, but also delivers a delicious energy-boosting meal perfect for any time of day. Healthiest 3. Spinach transcends the role of a mere leafy green. It stands as a nutrient powerhouse, delivering remarkable advantages for your muscles. This colorful vegetable is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as vital minerals, such as magnesium and iron, all of which contribute significantly to muscle function and overall physical strength. Spinach is packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and inflammation, safeguarding muscle cells from harm and facilitating quicker recovery post-exercise. Moreover, spinach is a great source of dietary fiber, promoting healthy digestion and enhancing your body's ability to absorb nutrients effectively. Incorporating spinach into your meals is effortless. Just toss it into salads, blend it into a refreshing smoothie, or sauté it lightly for a delicious side dish. Incorporating this nutrient-rich green into your daily meals provides your muscles with essential support, ensuring they remain strong, repair effectively, and perform optimally. 2. Almonds. Almonds are more than just a tasty and satisfying snack. They are a nutritional powerhouse essential for supporting healthy muscles. These tiny powerhouses are packed with protein, vital for repairing muscle fibers post-workout, and they provide a generous serving of essential fatty acids. Almonds boast a high content of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that safeguards your muscles from the harmful effects of oxidative stress. Their elevated magnesium levels enhance muscle function by facilitating both contraction and relaxation. Enjoying a handful of almonds as a snack or incorporating them into your meals offers a reliable energy boost, diminishes muscle inflammation, and accelerates your body's recovery after physical activities. Incorporating almonds into your diet means indulging in a delicious snack, while simultaneously providing your muscles with the essential support they require to become stronger and more resilient over time. 1. Chicken breast. At the forefront of our selection is chicken breast, an undeniable leader in the realm of muscle-building nutrition. This lean meat is highly valued for its premium protein content, crucial for the repair and growth of muscle tissue. Chicken breast boasts a low-fat content, making it a fantastic option for those aiming to uphold a balanced diet while pursuing their fitness aspirations. The protein content provides all the essential amino acids your body requires for muscle building and repair, particularly following an intense workout. Chicken breast is a culinary chameleon, effortlessly adapting to your cooking style, be it grilling, baking, or stir-frying, and seamlessly fitting into countless dishes. This also delivers essential nutrients such as B vitamins, which play a crucial role in transforming food into energy and ensuring your metabolism operates efficiently. Incorporating chicken breast into your meals consistently guarantees that your muscles obtain the essential nutrients needed to remain strong, recover swiftly, and excel in performance. From the bottom of our hearts, we're thrilled and deeply grateful for your time and passion in diving into these life-changing insights with us. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We're confident that the powerful knowledge you've gained today has ignited a spark of inspiration, fueling your mission to forge stronger, healthier muscles and a vibrant, unstoppable you. Success isn't a sprint. It's a marathon of relentless consistency. Those small, intentional tweaks to your daily diet and lifestyle, they're the secret sauce behind jaw-dropping transformations that will leave you amazed over time. We want to make this personal. Take a moment to share one positive habit you've already embraced in your life, whether it's a morning stretch, a nutrient-packed smoothie, or a brisk evening walk. Now, think of a friend whose healthy habit inspires you. Maybe they never skip their gym session or always prioritize home-cooked meals. Sharing these stories in the comments below can spark a wave of motivation, encouraging everyone in our community to push forward. Your experiences and those of your loved ones are the fuel that drives change. If this video has lit a fire in your soul or sparked bold new ideas for a healthier you, let's keep the momentum going. Smash that thumbs up button, share this video with your friends, family, and anyone ready to transform their life, and hit subscribe to join our thriving community. Your support is the heartbeat of our mission, empowering us to create more electrifying, practical health tips that guide you toward a stronger, more vibrant lifestyle. Don't stop here. Dive into the other videos on our channel for a treasure trove of knowledge to supercharge your wellness journey. Stay fiercely committed, keep charging toward your goals, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Seize this moment and embrace your path to unstoppable health and vitality.